Manipur da thokli beirang asida aran ohui tauba amatta kan khatuna thamloi haina Supreme Court na kan bawafam thamkhre Manipur ge hanage Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren ge khonjel ni haiba leak oirakhiba audio clip amaga mari lainana Cookie Organization for Human Rights Trust Kohur na Supreme Court ta thangalakhiba plea amage hearing chathabada Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna na luchingba bench amana wafam ase phongdokhibani NDTV ki report amana hai hearing aduda center ki maikai dage Solicitor General Tushar Mehta na hai Kohur hairiba group asi rookie group amani group asi kadai fauba credible oibage haibase hangbaya wahangni haike madugi paukhmoina court na hai Petitioner asi kanano haiba yengbagi mathau tade matang asida hen maru oiribadi aran ahui tawkhibra natraga tawkhidabra haibaduni irang asida aran ahui tawramba khudingma court na kaidonungda kankhatuna thamloi haike report aduna makhata na hai leak oirakliba audio clip adugi forensic report seal tawraga court ta lankhatlakre report adu examine tawrabasu report adu da kari yauribage haibade court na phongdokhide adumoinamak Solicitor General Tushar Mehta da mari leinaba officer singa wari sananaba court na khanghanki makhata na court na forensic science laboratory ge anoba report ama lankhalaknaba khanghanki court asina case asi mathangi hearing lakliba July 18 da chathagatba haunaba khanghankibaga loinana hanage Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren ge mathakta investigation makhata na chathanaba su khanghanki